We're at the terminus of the Q line in Manhattan, 96th Street, and this is one of 3 stops on the 2nd Avenue subway that opened in 2017. And yeah, as you can tell, the station is brand new. The trains are not. And that escalator heads up to the concourse. And this train will depart for Coney Island, and quite possibly in the near future, the 2nd Avenue subway will be extended up north that way to 125th Street on the Metro North Railroad and the Lexington Avenue line. And there is a longer term plan to extend it south towards the 6th Avenue line near the financial district, and for this part to be rebranded into a teal colored service named the T train, or it's just will be shown as T on the map, the letter T in a turquoise circle, and it would entirely run along the new line and would replace the Q line terminus currently. And because it's a terminus, you have to figure out which platform the next train leaves from. They're all heading to Brooklyn and Coney Island. Ticket hall looks beautiful, honestly, with the pattern on the wall. And the concourse spans along the entire length of the platforms, but above. So you can pretty much walk the platforms, but above. But we're not going to go all the way down there, we're just going to exit here. Okay, I'm actually going to exit on the other side instead. I just want to see what that's like. And why do they only put one escalator in a different direction on each side? Pretty inconsistent, if you ask me.
Hey New York, I'm Len, I'm 18, and I'm from Queens. I'm teaming up with the MTA to spread awareness about the dangers of subway surfing. The consequences are serious and could be fatal. Don't lose your life. Ride inside, stay alive.
I like more of these paintings, which show construction and some birds. And also the natural light above this entrance is giving me something that resembles Canary Wharf. Here's the entrance to 96th Street. Looks like a entrance into Canary Wharf station. Here's the surrounding area. Here's a map. So you got 96th Street here, and got a radius of 5 minutes walking, and there's really nothing much up to downtown except for 86th Street. I meant uptown, sorry. But you are close to the 96th Street Lexington Avenue station, and here's a zoomed out map with Central Park on the right. This is pointing south if you're going this way. And north is at the bottom of this map. And the Lexington Avenue line runs down this road here, parallel to this. But it is 2 blocks to the west. West is on the right, east is on the left. And over there's the exit to 94th Street and 2nd Avenue, or the southwest corner. That's the entrance inside. So you have your ticket machines here. 3 MetroCard and 1 Omni? What is this? MetroCard is being phased out right now. But anyway, I do have a special Omni card with me. And instead of like swiping right here, you just tap it with this machine like this. And then you can go through the turnstiles. And now we're inside. We're in the paid area. And like Paris, you don't have to like tap out. But London, you do have to tap out because, you know, empire culture. I'm looking for a down escalator and I see one right there. And don't worry, this station does have an exit on the other side. Just like all of the other 2nd Avenue subway stations. Looking for the next train to Stillwell, towards Stillwell in 10 minutes. Really? But there is a next train thing on the boards. Puribus Unum? What does that mean? Again. It's so dark in here.